عايز تعرف النهارده ايه يا رافت في الانجليزي؟
عايز اعرف الفرق بين must و should و may و could واستخداماتهم.
اوكي. عايز يعرف الفرق بين must و should و may و could واستخداماتهم. على فكرة يعني الموضوع مش صعب، بس هو لازم تبقى فاهمين المعنى. must بنستخدمها لما يكون في حاجة في القوانين، يعني law regulation، حاجة لازم. يعني مثلا أنا لازم أحترم المرور وقواعد المرور، يبقى I must respect traffic rules. I must respect traffic rules. يبقى لازم، لأن في حاجة اضطرارية في السكول، لازم I must obey my teacher، لازم أطيع المدرس بتاعي. I must follow the instruction، لازم حاجة ضرورية في المدرسة، في الجامعة، في القوانين للبلد، للمرور، بستخدم must. لكن should بيستخدمها للنصيحة. يعني مثلا أقول لك you should study، يعني يجب نصيحة، لازم يجب عليك إن أنت تذاكر. you should study. واحد اتأخر مثلا أقول له you should go home now، يعني يجب إن أنت ترجع البيت دلوقتي عشان مثلا تذاكر وراك حاجة مهمة. يعني النصيحة بستخدم should. must حاجة إلزامية، قانون أو غيره. طيب إيه بقى may و could؟ لما بيكون واحد بيستأذن لشيء بقول له مثلا may I help you، بالظبط زي can I help you، ممكن أساعدك. could more polite، يعني بأدب أكتر. could يعني مثلا لو قلت لحد could you help me، can you help me، could بتيجي بمعنى more بأدب أكتر، يعني more respect أكتر و more politely أكتر. could you give me permission to go somewhere، تستأذن من والدك من والدتك إن أنت تاخد any permission عشان تعمل شيء. could I watch TV now، يبقى في نوع من البرميشن، من الاستئذان، عشان يسمح لك ان انت تعمل الشيء او الفعل. ده الفرق بين could و may و should و must. ومن يعني طب وفي حاجة تانية مثلا will دي للمستقبل. will I will study after I watch TV، أنا هذاكر بعد ما أتفرج على التلفزيون. I will go home after 1 hour، أروح البيت بعد ساعة. يعني will بتديك للمستقبل، الفيوتشر. أنا هسمعكم شوية فيديوهات، وعشان عايزك تليسن، يعني listen carefully، وهتشوف من المحادثات ديت أسئلة كتير أوي بين ولد ومامته، وبين بنت ومعاها محاضر في الجامعة. يعني ركزوا وهتشوفوا ازاي هو بيتكلم.
Andrew, I'm having a few problems with modal verbs.
Don't worry, Emily. They're a bit like a jigsaw puzzle. It's simply a question of time. You can do anything if you put your mind to it.
Can you help me then?
No problem. We'll start with one of the most common verbs. The verb can expresses ability or permission. I can play tennis, or can I go with you?
And what about may and could?
Use may or could for permission. May I come in? Or could I go with you?
Right. Aren't may and could also used for possibility?
Yes, that's right. It may rain. But for remote possibility, you could use might. It might also snow.
And what do I use for obligation?
You must use must or have to. I must catch my train. Or I have to catch my train.
Right. And what about should?
You should use should for giving advice and recommendations. You should drink more water. And you should try the new Chinese restaurant.
Will is for the future, isn't it?
Yes, will is the best form of the future in all cases, even for the first person. I will see you tomorrow.
And what about shall?
Shall is for making suggestions and offering help. Shall we have a drink? And shall I carry your bag?
Oh, thank you, Andrew. This is a very interesting lesson. You are a terrific teacher. I'm going to make a frame for this lesson to keep forever. Can I also have a photo of you to put it in my frame?
Let me get the frame for you. Then I can dedicate it to you. To my best student, with love, from Andrew.
Oh, thank you, Andrew.
Morning. Is the medical conference here?
Yes, it is. What's your name, please?
Dr. Asfahan. A-S-F-A-H-A-N.
And your address, please?
I'm from BSc in Bombay.
Thank you, Doctor. Welcome to the conference.
Good morning, madam.
Good morning.
Your name, please?
My name is Dr. Margaret Reynolds.
Can you spell it, please?
R-E-Y-N-O-L-D-S.
Are you American?
Yes, I'm from the States.
Where from in the States, please?
From New York.
Your address in New York, please?
I'm with Dubary Instruments. That's D-U-B-A-R-R-Y.
Thank you, madam. Welcome to the conference.
Come here, Sheena. I have to talk to you.
Yes, Grandpa. Is anything wrong?
Yes. Firstly, you're always late for dinner.
No, it's the bus that is always late.
Secondly, you usually forget my mail from the mailbox.
There usually is no mail.
And thirdly, you sometimes bring friends here I do not like.
Oh, Grandpa, you never liked my friends.
But your friends are often impolite.
Tell me, Grandpa, do you like me?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Of course I am. Sorry, honey. Sometimes this old man is a little bit grumpy. I love you more than anything. And I love to have you here.
Thank you, Grandpa. I love you too. I promise I'll be good.
Right. What did he say?
Said, how's his edge, huh? He only took him down because he couldn't see you no more. What's he under?
What did he say?
He said an edge is an edge. He only chopped it down because it spoilt his view. What's he moaning about?
Right. Look, I appreciate your position, Mr. Webley, but you can't go around chopping down other people's hedges without permission.
I suppose.
Yes, I suppose. Thank you.
All right.
Do not forget to subscribe.